Bryophyta. Characteristics of bryophytes. Bryophyte are the most simplest and most primitive land plants. Name of bryophyte is derived from two Greek words. Bryon means moss and phyton means plant. At present, the phylum Bryophyta includes 960 genera and 24,000 species. Habit and habitat of bryophytes, cosmopolitan in distribution, uncommon in marine environment. They are terrestrial plants but require water at every stage in their life cycle. They grow in moist and shady places. They fall to complete its life cycle in the absence of water. Few bryophytes are truly aquatic and underwater form. Ruchia flutans, peat moss, sphagnum moss grown in bogs and marshy areas. Orella is an epiphytic bryophyte that grow on tree trunks. Rhodula protusa is an epiphyllous bryophyte grow on the surface of leaves. Tortula diostratum is a xerophytic bryophyte growing in deserts. Land adaptation of bryophytes. Bryophytes are fundamentally land plants. Their land adaptations are possesses root-like rhizoids to absorb water from soil. Free surface of epidermis is coated with waterproof waxy coating to prevent water loss and protect against desiccation. Possess stomata-like structure for gaseous exchange. Possess multicellular sex organs surrounded by sterile jacket. After fertilization, the zygote is left inside the archegonium to provide nutrition for the sporophyte development. These features help bryophyte to live in land condition. Why bryophytes? The amphibians of plant kingdom. Amphibians in the animal kingdom live in water as well as in land. Similarly, bryophytes represented by liver rot, hornworts, and mosses grow well in the areas between water and terrestrial habitat, that is, amphibious zone. Bryophytes are dependent on water to complete their life cycle. Why bryophytes? The amphibians of plant kingdom. Bryophytes are dependent on water to complete their life cycle. Presence of water is required and essential for the dehiscence of mature antheridia, liberation of antherozoids from antheridia, transfer of antherozoid from antheridia to archegonia, opening of archegonial neck, movement of flagellate antherozoids into the archegonial neck. Life cycle of bryophytes will not complete in the absence of water. Thus, they are called as the amphibians of plant kingdom. Life cycle consists of gametophytic and sporophytic phases. Gametophytic and sporophytic generation are physically connected. Gametophytic and sporophytic phases are heteromorphic, morphologically distinct. Characteristics of gametophytic generation of bryophyte. Gametophytic generation is more conspicuous phase in life cycle. Gametophytic generation is long-lived and prominent phase. It is independent green autotrophic phase. Gametophytic plant is fleshy. In lower forms, gametophyte is undifferentiated and thalloid. In higher forms, gametophyte is differentiated into root-like, leaf-like, and stem-like structure. Characteristics of sporophytic generation of bryophyte. Sporophytic generation is less conspicuous phase in life cycle. Sporophytic generation is short-lived. Sporophyte is completely dependent on gametophytic plant for nutrition, usually differentiated into food, seta, and capsule. Gametophytes of bryophytes. In primitive forms, Riccia and Markensia gametophyte is undifferentiated, prostrate, and thalloid. In advanced form, mosses, plant body is erect, differentiated into stem, lateral appendages, leaves, and rhizoids. True roots are absent in bryophytes. Rhizoids are present. Rhizoids help in anchorage and absorption. Rhizoids may be unicellular and unbranched to multicellular branch structures. Sometimes multicellular scales may be present. Scales help to protect growing region of the thallus. Plant body consists of parenchymatous cells only. thick walled and lignified cells are completely absent in all phases. Vascular tissues are completely absent. Plant body sometimes internally differentiated into photosynthetic and storage zones. Xylem and phloems are absent. Characteristics of bryophyte in reproduction. The reproduce by vegetative and sexual reproduction. Vegetative multiplication takes place by death and decay of older parts, fragmentation of thallus, adventitious branching, tuber formation, and production of gymi or gyma cup. Sexual reproduction in bryophyte. Sexual reproduction is oogamous type. Sex organs are multicellular. Sex organs are more complex and than thallophytes, that is algae, fungi, and lichen. Male sex organs are called antheridia. Antheridia are stalk and globose. They have one cell thick sterile jacket around it form protection. Jacket surrounded a solid mass of fertile cells called antherocytes. Sexual reproduction in bryophyte, antherocytes metamorphosis into antherozoid. Antherozoids are biflagellate and thus they are motile. Female sex organ is called archegonia. Archegonia is flask-shaped structure. Archegonia have basal swollen venter and an elongated upper part called neck. The venter and neck surrounded by one layer thick sterile jacket cells. 4 to 6 neck canal cells and one venter canal cell is present. Fertilization in bryophytes. Water is necessary for fertilization. When antheridia mature, their sterile jacket disintegrate and liberate motile anthropods to the surrounding thin film of water. When archegonia mature, the neck canal cells and venter canal cells disintegrate and forms a mucilage mass. Antherozoids are attracted by chemical presence in the mucilage and move towards it by chemotaxis through the thin film of water. Antherozoid enters into the archegonium through neck and venter. Antherozoids fuse with egg to form a diploid zygote. Sporophyte develop from embryo. Zygote is the first stage in the diploid sporophytic generation. Zygote does not have any resting period. Zygote mitotically divide intermediately after fertilization. Bryophyte shows exoscopic mode of embryo development. First division of zygote is always transfers to produce two cells, outer cells and inner cells. Outer cells gives rise to embryo. Embryo developed within the venter of archegonium. Sporophyte is simple structure without rhizoid stem or leaves. Sporophyte is completely dependent on gametophyte for nourishment. Sporophyte is projecting structure in most of the form. It projects out from the gametophytic tissue. Sporophyte is differentiated into food seta and capsule. Sporogenous cell present in the capsule divide meiotically to produce haploid spores. All spores are similar in shape and size, that is homosporous. Sometimes elaters are present. Elaters are hygroscopic and they help in spore dispersal. Spores are non-motile and they disperse exclusively by winds. Under favorable condition, the spores germinate to form the gametophyte. In lower forms, the germination of spore is by the formation of a germ tube, which latter divide to give rise the younger gametophyte Riccia and Markensia. In advanced form, mosses spores germinate to form a filamentous branch protonema. From the protonema, many gametophytic plants arise. Life cycle of bryophyte is characterized by the alternation of two morphological distinct phases. One phase is haploid gametophyte, other phase is diploid sporophyte. Gametophytic phase is independent, autotrophic, haploid, and bears gametes. It develops from the spores produced by sporophytes. Male and female gametes represent the last phase of gametophytic generation. Haploid male and female gametes fuse to form a diploid zygote. Zygote represent the first phase of sporophytic generation. Sporophyte is simple, completely dependent on gametophyte for nutrition. Sporogenous tissue in the sporophyte divide meiotically to produce haploid spores. The spores germinate to form haploid gametophyte. Economic importance of bryophyte. Moss is used for soil conditioning, helps to increase aeration and water holding capacity of soil. Sphagnum moss is used extensively in potting mixture. Sphagnum moss is also used in air layering. Bryophytes are ecological indicator. Bryophyte indicate moist and wet weather conditions. Some mosses are air pollution indicators. Abscess indicate air pollution. Some bryophytes indicate copper in the soil. Mystiophyria elongata. Sphagnum indicate acid condition in the soil. Used to prevent soil erosion. Anthoceras can fix nitrogen and can enrich the soil nutrient. Many mosses are attractive and they are used in gardening. Some mosses are used as a packaging material. Peat moss is good fuel. It is extensively used in many European countries. Sphagnum moss is used for the preparation of absorbent bandages. They also have good antiseptic properties. Mertensia polymorpha is used in the treatment of pulmonary tuberculosis. Polytrichum has been used for the treatment of kidney stone. Questions. What is the bryophyte and what are the bryophytes? What are the characteristics of bryophyte? Explain the life cycle of bryophytes. Explain the reproduction in bryophyte. Explain structure of antheridium and archegonium of bryophyte. Explain alternation of generation in bryophyte. What are the economic importance of bryophyte and what are the ecological importance of bryophyte? Thank you.